In this video, I'll be talking about the Azure DevOps and GitHub Relation Builder. Canraise is a Microsoft Gold partner for DevOps as well as the GitHub Verified partner. So let me tell you what this tool is. So this basically is a command line tool which is written in C# at the backend. So this tool will help you to create a link or relationship between the GitHub commits and the Azure DevOps work items. So what made us to build this tool? Well, there are a few challenges that this tool will eliminate. Like when you migrate the issue types from Jira to Azure DevOps, as well as the source code from any other version control systems, in this case, like say Bitbucket, then the relationship between the development and the associated work will be automatically removed during the migration. So post migration, the tool will help you build these relations automatically with fewer configurations, even though you have the large amount of data. So let me take you through the demonstration of this tool. GitHub repository where I can actually go and download this particular tool. So you can come to this particular repository, GitHub Commits Relation Builder, download this particular exe file, and have your prerequisites ready in place. So the wiki page has the usage instruction of how do you configure this and how do you run this particular tool. So before we actually go and run this particular tool, I have few things that I would like to show you. So the first thing is I do have the source code that is migrated from Bitbucket, and you could see that this source code has all the commits with all the Jira references, issue types as well. So these commit messages on the commit that you see here, it has a specific format from the Jira like proj-15, proj-30, etc. So these are the commit messages associated in Bitbucket along with your Jira issue types. Now say if I have to link this particular commit to the migrated issue types to Azure DevOps work items, then I'll have to do this manually one by one. Say if you have a large number of data that you need to go and build this relationship, that is where this time consuming comes into picture. And hence we came up with a solution which will help reduce the time and effort in establishing this. So I'll come to my Azure DevOps work items. This is where all the Jira work issue types are migrated to my Azure DevOps work item. And you could see that in Jira, I do have the reference format as this. So this is the format of my Jira issue type in my Jira environment when migrated to Azure DevOps work item. So the tool will look out for these references and will automatically update all the GitHub commits that will be linked to your migrated work items in Azure DevOps. So as of now, you can see that I do not have any development commits linked for any of these work items that are there here. For example, I can come and open this particular work item, and I do not see any development related information within my work item. So to have this information, let me go and run this particular tool. So when you run this particular exe, it will ask you for the GitHub repository. So in my case, the GitHub repository name is Jira to Bitbucket. So that is my GitHub repository. And the next thing is it will ask for the Jira ID. So in your case, if you have a different format that you would be using for creating Jira issue types, the same format has to go in. My format starts with proj-, so I would be passing that as the Jira ID format. So once I define the format and the GitHub repository to which I need these relations to be built, so it will ask me whether I would like to see all the commits that is there in my repository. Yes, I would like to come and see that. And I get the list of commit IDs along with the associated Jira IDs as part of this particular commits. So now when I click on enter, so it will automatically go and start to link these commit IDs in my Azure DevOps work items. So now the next thing I need to key in the detail is for the Azure DevOps related information. So the configuration goes like this. I will have to enter the Azure DevOps project name. So that is where I enter this. So when I enter my project name, it will analyze and start uh, linking these relations for my work items. So you could see that there are three relations that were failed to create. So if I want to go and see why was it failed and what was the reason for this particular relations, I can actually go and do that particular now. So once I complete the execution run of my tool, so I can always come back here and look out for the work items if the association has really happened. As you can see here, earlier when I started to show up this particular template and the work item form, I did not see any development comments associated for this. Now, when I click on this particular comment, so this commit will redirect me to that particular GitHub repository where I can have this relationship between the work item as well as the development work that is flowing. So this way it will save a lot of time if you have hundreds and thousands of commits within a single repository and you wish to associate the same kind of relationship between your work and the development that is going on. So this is all about the tool that I wanted to give you a run through. So feel free to use this, and if you have any concerns or requests, drop in an issue inside this repository, whereas we'll be happy to. Thank you all.